In this short tutorial, we'll be looking at the Content Aware Fill tool inside Adobe After Effects. You'll want to use this tool whenever you need to remove unwanted elements from your video clips. In this example, we are going to remove the red Jeep from the scene. We'll start by selecting the clip and choosing the pen tool so we can draw a mask around the element we want to remove. Make sure to include any shadows in the selection. Next, we'll track the mask so it follows the movement of the object. Under the mask settings, we'll change the mode from Add to None so we can follow the mask outline as it tracks, and then we'll right-click on the mask and select Track Mask to open the tracker options in the right side panel. Under Method, we'll select Position, Rotation and Scale, and we'll select Forward Play to start the analysis. Once the tracking is complete, change the mask mode to Subtract. With the layer selected, choose Window, Content Aware Fill to open the Content Aware Fill options in the right side panel. Under Method, we'll choose Object and we'll also select Subtle Lighting Conditions. We'll select Work Area under the range and press Generate Fill Layer and wait for the analysis and render to be completed.